What do you see?
See animals.
Animals. What kind of animals? You see a little snake there?
Fish.
And fish? Is that a skunk? Yeah. What's this one here?
But this one. But this
Should we look for the frogs inside here?
Where's frog? Daddy, don't take picture. My frog. The zebra. Zebra.
Zebra, yeah. What about these? What's this one here, Theo? Theo, over here. What's this one?
Deer.
A deer. Oh, is that a baby alligator?
My baby ugly.
Should we look for the blue frog again? Should we go see in here? Want to go see the hippo? Should we go see the sharks?
Wait.
Okay, come with me. What do you see?
Sharks.
What's this one here? That's kind of like a snake. It's a moray.
This way. Look that.
Yeah. Here.
It's real.
Are you all done?